Hello, I just bought this one diffuser. It's find it like I like the size. It's a and it's used as a mini USB. So call it ultrasonic diffuser. It's basically for your it could be a night lamp. There's a night light, and it's an aromatherapy. Now there is a bonus of 10 essential oils. Now let's see. How big is it? Okay, so you have your USB cable, and then this is about the size of this tiny. That's how small it is. All right, and then I have here the free essential oils. Okay, these are scented oils. Now you get these lemongrass, rose, eucalyptus, jasmine, tea tree, and more on this lavender, sandalwood, bergamot, peppermint, and orange. Alright, and inside the box you have here as well their specifications, and so it consumes like only a 3-watt power. The weight is 130 grams, and the size is 10 centimeter in the diameter. All right, the capacity, it only uses 130 ml, and you have here the instructions on how to use it. All right, so I'm excited to try it on now. Okay, I have to follow the instruction. Gotta try this one. So it says on the first step you have to turn clockwise to unscrew and open. So turning this one. Okay, there you go. And then inside you will find this, the suction wick core, and there is an extra. Alright, now I already pre-tested just to make it sure it works. That this is how much a 130 ml water. Okay, and then I put a few drops of the essential oil. Okay, and then on this one you have to unscrew this one. Okay, and you will find there's another one, cotton core. This is your wick. You have to, going back on step 4 now, you have to soak the cotton core for about a minute. Once you have done that one, put it back here, and then close this one, tighten it by just a little clockwise movement, and that's it. It's locked. Okay, and then so take note, this is your spare. Close this one. We did clockwise earlier, so we do the counterclockwise to close it. This is your USB. At the back you have this hole wherein you plug in your USB. Okay, and then for sure you should have your USB charger connected, and this is now your power button. There you go. Simple.